sewing a satin trimmed baby blanket. The first thing I did was pick out some fabric I had for the front and the back, and I put batting in the middle, and then I pinned it all over to make sure they stayed together exactly where I wanted them. The next step was just to sew along the outer edge. And now I'm going to sew some stripes along to keep the blanket in place. Here I have sewn vertical stripes, and vertical seemed to be quite enough, so I didn't end up needing to do horizontal. Next I pinned on the satin trim and then just sewed it down. So easy. Doesn't it look great? The corners were a little tricky. And here's the beautiful back. Alright, here it is, the finished product. I hope you enjoy. Try it out yourself, and thank you so much, as always, for watching.